हेलो एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कैसे हम अपना खुद का कस्टम पैकेज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग npm। सो आई हैव क्रिएटेड वन फोल्डर that is a create package. Under this package I'm going to create a package. So I will write here npm command initialize. So asking the package name. So demo package version 0.01. Description: this is simple package. Entry point, yes, this could be index. Test command, not required. So skip this. Just make this enter. Git repository, nothing. Keywords, uh, just type something simple. Create author. Just use your name. Like frontend components. License and this. So here, if you can see that this overall package that is getting created, and just showing the preview before creating. Is it okay? If I do yes, this will going to create. So if you can see that, so if you can see this is simple package that has created here. Demo package version, simple. Keywords, use simple package create. License, this is ISC. Author, so frontend component, and type main entry point, it would be index.js. So this step will help you to create a simple package. And if you want to use some third-party library, third-party library under this application, I try to install npm install React. So a React library will be installed here. If you can see that React library 19.2.0 install here. So thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will help you to create your custom package by using these steps. If you really like these videos, please subscribe to get the latest update of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.